Yo, 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 what's happening, my fellow music makers? Mr. Baker coming at you with another hot tutorial. This one's for you metalheads out there. Oh, yeah, Metallica, the most popular metal band in the world, one of the most popular metal songs ever, Master of Puppets. Let's hear this thing. Very cool, very cool. I got really into Metallica when I was in like seventh grade. Huge young metalhead here. Super obsessed with them and that whole album, Master Puppets. And it recently made a resurgence for the next generation due to Stranger Things, which introduced it to a lot of new youngsters. Super dope. Let's figure out how to break down this main riff. It's super complex song, but this main riff is pretty simple. Go to restart. We got a blank canvas. First things first, we got to change these settings. This little gear icon down here, click on that. You're only going to change one thing, scale, not major, but chromatic. So you have all the notes at your disposal. Go ahead and press the blue check mark. Now we got a blank canvas. Now, the speed of the song is a lot faster than 120. It's metal song, so we're going to go to 220. 219 won't let you go straight to it, so double click, 220, press enter, and now our song is 220 beats per minute. Let's start plugging in some notes. No drums just yet. You can add optional drums later, but this kind of flows pretty evenly left to right. Let's start with two yellows. So we have two yellows in that lower octave right here. Then you're going to jump to two yellows in this, and one yellow in this next octave. So yellow, yellow, high yellow, and then go back down, do two more yellows, and then do the one right under that color, and then two more yellows. So that first bar, pretty simple. Two yellows, high yellow, two yellows, this kind of orange, then two more yellows. That should put you right at the end of the first bar. And then you're going to do these cool power chords next to that. So that's going to look like this. So orange, skip one, darker orange, skip one, red. And then you're going to do that same thing on the lower octave. And they line up right on top of each other. But wait, you're not done. We got to put some fifths above that. So these colors, you're going to fill it in to make block chords or power chords on the guitar is what they're called. But we have these two oranges on top of each other with a purple in between. This shade with this deep blue, and then this red with this teal right in between. That's going to make your power chords. Let's hear it. And then a little space after that. You're done with that second bar. Boom. So you're going to leave the next three spaces after that blank. And then we're going to do that same kind of two E's, the two yellows again. And we're going to keep this downward motion. So let's talk about that. That third bar starts with two yellows, then this pink, two yellows, then this magenta kind of shade. And then we have two yellows again. So that's very similar to the first bar, but the in-between tones are different colors because we have this descending. It's like we're going down the stairs. And then the last bar is slightly different. And then very cool. So that's pretty cool figure it does. Instead of having two yellows in between, it then just does one yellow in between. So at the beginning of the gray bar, you start with this purple, then yellow, then this deep blue, yellow, teal, yellow, green, yellow. And they're all one down from each other. And if that is correct, it should sound just like the main theme. Pretty cool. So we left out the intro for the sake of repeatability. When it finishes, it goes right back to the top. That is the main riff. There's tons of cool riffs in that song. If you haven't heard it top to bottom, check it out. There's two guitar solos that are super epic. Amazing piece of music. But we're going to add some drums just for fun. Not necessary. You can experiment with the sounds too. Not the move. Strings, because it is a guitar part. Sounds pretty raw. Let's hear synth. That sounds cool too. So experiment with that. I'm gonna go back to marimba, and then we're gonna put in some drums, like a simple, like hard rock metal drum beat, which is two circles, triangle, skip one. Two circles, triangle, skip one. Repeat that all the way throughout. I'm gonna plug that in. While I'm doing that, a little shameless self plug. Go ahead, like and subscribe, all that good stuff all the YouTubers say. And now we have like a punk rock metal beat underneath. Check it out. Very cool, but that part's totally optional. Drums aren't really necessary. Just that main riff is right there, and that is the entirety of Master of Puppets, featured in Stranger Things season 4, I believe. And yes, it was huge influence on me when I was a youngster. And that guitar part and that riff is just like one of your essential metal staples. But thank y'all for checking it out. Thank you for tuning in. Hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you for all your hot requests. Check out all my other tutorials and all that stuff like that. Thank you all for the love and support. We'll see you next time. Peace and love.